Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Open the driver's side door and pop the trunk. Now that's the third brake light. The way to access it is from underneath there, inside the trunk. Right there, that's what the light is. All we have to do is grab the bulb holder there and twist it left. Now this is the hard part. It may be stuck there, so just try and wiggle it, but it'll come off. Just twist it left with your thumb and your finger, like a quarter of a turn, and it's loose. Just pull it out. There's the bulb right over there. The way to get it out is just press it down and twist it left. Again, press it down, twist it left, and the bulb comes off. The bulb size is 7506. Again, 7506 single filament bulb. Get the new bulb and put it in the bulb holder. The way to put it back in is the exact reverse process of what we did to take it out. Align it, put it in, push it down, and then twist it right. That's it. Now it's locked in place. Let's put the bulb holder back in. Now when you're doing so, you notice there's a tab over there on the holder which is slightly bigger than the rest. That one, yep, that aligns with that slot in the light. The idea is to get it in and just make sure it sits flush like that. Once it's sitting flush, now you can twist it right to lock it in place. That's it, as simple as that. You have to make sure it's sitting flush, it's not sticking out, and then that's it. Twist it right, locked in place. Let's try out the light. And this is looking good. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found it useful.